Hello class, I just wanted to make a quick video reminder of what's due in week 6. So let's take a look by going to our weekly assignments. So if you remember this week, I kind of went off textbook and we learned all about the change acceleration process CAP model. So if we open up here the week 6 folder, you will see that I have provided you guys all with some PowerPoints with narration. So let me just show you how this works to make sure everyone understands it. So you'll click on the PowerPoint, it'll download. Now it's going to take some time to download because it has the narration. My voice is narrating those slides. So just be patient with it. But then once it does download, then we'll be able to open it. So let's just give it a second to download. Okay, so it's completely downloaded and now we can open up the PowerPoint. Now, once it opens, here's what you're going to notice. It's going to be here in the outline view, or normal view, I'm sorry. And you can see that it has narration on the slides. So you can play the narration like this on each slide, and you can go back and replay it. Or if you want, you can put it into the slide presentation mode up here. And once you do that, it'll just start playing.
Hello class, and welcome to chapter 9. We're going to talk all about change, and as I've sent you messages before, I'm going off textbook so I can teach you an industry tool that's tried and true called Change Acceleration Process, or CAP.
Okay, so that's how you can play the narration. A couple different ways: either go to the slide and push the button, or put it in the slide presentation and watch it. The other thing is, here in normal view, you can see my notes that I've written. So you'll see on some of the slides, I have my notes down here. They're for me, but they're also for you to help you to learn about this model. So I hope you guys enjoy learning about change, and I just wanted to make sure you knew how to use the slides with the narration. So what else do we have in our week 6 folder besides those slides? Well, we also have our weekly data report, so make sure you get that turned in, and it's due tomorrow, Sunday the 28th by 11:59 p.m. You also have the CAP quiz, the quiz over the CAP model, and that too is due on the 28th by 11:59 p.m. And when you're ready, you'll just click on that and then click begin, and it's 10 questions. Okay, let's look back here again and see if there's anything else in our folder. And there's a couple of more things to work on. One is the completion of a threats opportunity matrix, which once you listen to the slides, you'll understand what that is. And I've given you a scenario here as a manager of Speedy Pizza Inc. And you've gotten some complaints, and then you have an opportunity to complete this threat opportunity matrix. And then you're going to submit that on Blackboard by tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. So let's take a look at that document just so I can show you how you can use it. It's in Word, and once you've downloaded it, you can open it. And I have the matrix just like you've seen in the slides. Now, a lot of times you won't be able to fit everything into these boxes, and I don't want to force you to do that. They're there for you, but if you need more space, I've just kind of written them out here. So feel free to complete them and use as much space as you need to write down your threats and your opportunities, short term and long term. And then once you have that completed, you'll save it and you'll submit it to Blackboard, and that will complete that assignment. And then you have one last assignment on Flipgrid. But this week, you don't have to interact with another one of your students. All you need to do is look at this scenario like you had up here, and as the manager, you have an opportunity to give your elevator speech right, to your district manager. And when you're ready to do that, a good way to start is here by completing this form, so you make sure you have all the elements filled out. So here I just give you the guidelines, just like you'll see in the slides on your elevator speech. You're going to say what you need to change, and to whom I've given you this is your district manager, and why it's important, why you need to make the change. What is success going to look like? And what do you need from your district manager? And be specific. Once you have that kind of written out, that's kind of your outline for your elevator speech, then you can go right into Flipgrid here, click the link, and record your elevator speech. And again, you're not interacting with another student's elevator speech. You're just recording that and completing that document. So once you have those completed, you'll submit that to Blackboard by the end of the day, again on Sunday the 28th. So if anyone has questions or concerns as they're working through the assignments for this week, please make sure you reach out to me at 812-316-2628. And I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Bye-bye.